Today, we're going to be doing a video on the Qiewa Q1 Hummer.
The Qiewa Q1 came in 11 days, direct from QiewaScooters.com. Shout out to Qiewa Scooters.
I like the suspension that's on here. Adjustable suspension. I like the board. I like the design, even though it might have its little flaws. What was you saying that was the problem with it? You see that's a little speaker that's on there. It's a single motor. You know what I mean?
800 watt.
It's in the back, 800 watt. Ends up being pretty well in the performance range. Now, it doesn't have the acceleration that the Nan robot has, but
it has the top end.
It definitely has the top end. I also like the way it's made. I like the headlights. I like the way the lights look, kind of like a J5 from Short Circuit. 10-inch pneumatic rims, tires. It's Qiewa.
When you hit the alarm system, got a little alarm. To unlock it, you hit the unlock button, but the scooter still won't cut on, even with the unlock button. So you have to then hit this little lightning button 2 times until it beeps, and then you can power it on. That's how the dashboard looks. It starts off in gear 1. You hit the plus for gear 2, and hit the plus for gear 3. You can do it right while you're driving. This is the throttle. Brakes, of course. I have a USB on mine with a little compass, and you can charge your phone or whatever.
Yeah, I thought that was a nice feature.
Whatever requires USB. I have a horn as well. It's pretty loud. My head pretty bright headlights.
And you not only have the headlights, you also got the side lights.
It's pretty.
I like the solids. I like the solids better actually, but I just was curious how they got that to work. Also got backlights in the back.
Brake lights.
And I like how his is kind of concealed. We'll be back with some more. Stay tuned for part 2. Be coming up real soon.